Today we are showing you a beautiful and a very unique machine, that is hydraulic cold press machine. Through this machine we can extract oil from any kind of seed. Yes, from any kind of seed. For example, you can extract oil from mustard, you can extract oil from soybean, and after extracting the oil, the seed remain in its own form. Yes, the seed remain in its own form. For example, if you extract the oil from mustard, the mustard will be remain same in its own shape and position. Now the question arises that how does it happen that the shape does not get changed? The basic reason behind this is this machine works on the principle of hydraulic pressure. In this machine, 8700 psi pressure generated. We put the raw material into the machine and 8700 psi pressure generated into the machine, due to which any kind of seeds which we have put it on get squeezed, and due to squeezing of that seeds, oil gets extracted. So and this machine has only one motor, that is 1.5 horsepower motor. Yes, the water motor which we are having in our house, around 1.5 horsepower. So only or you can say less than 1 unit is consumed in an hour. The main feature of this machine is this is very hygienic, because once we put the raw material into it, we are not touching anything. So it's very hygienic, and the shelf life of this oil is very more, because there is no moisture into the oil. Through this machine we get the oil that is 100% pure virgin oil. Yes, the purity is 100%, not at all 99.9%. So now you can realize that if you want original natural oil, then you can go for this kind of machine. Now the advantage behind this is machine over the kachi ghani. Nowadays kachi ghani is in fashion, that we are getting a very good oil or a natural oil from kachi ghani, but I would like to tell you that this machine is far more better than kachi ghani. In kachi ghani we have to sprinkle water, and in kachi ghani there is a friction during its working, but in this machine there is no friction, as this machine works on the principle of hydraulic pressure. There is no temperature into this, due to which the oil which comes out is on the room temperature, cold oil. And the second thing is that in kachi ghani you have to sprinkle water, and due to moisture the life of the product get less. Here you will get more life, as there is no water or moisture into the seed, right? Now one more beautiful thing is that the oil which you get from this machine is filtered oil. Yes, filtered oil. There is no extra filtration you will require. Here this is the top lid of the machine, from where you have to put the raw material into it. Today we are extracting oil from the coconut. We are putting coconut into this bag. This is cotton bag where we have to put the coconut. Here we are putting desiccated coconut into it. Why we are using desiccated coconut? Because it will get more surface area to compress it. That's why we are using desiccated coconut, right? We are using 2 kg of desiccated coconut here. We will get around 65% oil from this desiccated coconut. We put this raw material into the machine. This machine can be operated by a single person. Yes, single person can use and maintain this machine. A man can handle this kind of 5 machines at a time. So very easy operation and very easy to operate and maintain this machine. Now we will put raw material into the machine. Everything is automated here. Here we will put raw material into it. From this machine, any kind of oil you can extract from any kind of seed. Any seed which contains oil, you can extract oil from that machine. This is cold press hydraulic machine. Due to hydraulic pressure, oil comes out from any seed. Now we close the door after putting the raw material into it and we start the machine. Now what happened into this? The technicality of this machine is that here 8700 psi pressure is generated, and due to that pressure the oil start coming out of it. When the oil comes from this, you will see that a crystal clear oil comes out. It means that the oil gets, after getting filtration, comes out. Yes. Look at this. Crystal clear oil is coming out. Look at this. Yes, there is no need to do filtration. After getting filtered, this oil comes out. So now you can see that how beautifully this machine works. You do not need to put any kind of extra effort into it. Now you can look at this. This oil is around 1200, and right now the oil is again extracting from the machine. So it will be around 1300 ml. I have told you that around 65% from the coconut we can extract oil. So around 65 to 67% we get oil from this coconut. So this is the beautiful machine, and the oil which is coming out is again cold. At room temperature we get this oil. So 100% nutrition value of the oil is maintained. After extracting oil, we will remove this cotton bag from the machine, and after extracting oil, you will get this kind of byproduct. This is coconut which is compressed and into this form. Now you can use this material after extracting oil. Even you can eat this and you can make chutney, you can make sweets. And if I will talk about some other kind of seeds, for example, we have this two kind of seeds right now. This is peanut, and after extracting oil, peanut will be look like this. Yes, this is the residue which we get after extracting oil, and this is the sunflower. After extracting oil, the sunflower is in the same shape, and you can have a look over it. We have different capacity models of this machine. The basic model has 20 kg per hour capacity, and the highest model we have has capacity of 100 kg. So this machine is used for all kind of seeds. Through a very small space, you can start your own business. This is a very beautiful model for the women's and for the farmers, because in very less amount you can start your own business, and you can provide 100% pure virgin oil to every kind of customer. It may be a customer next to your door, or it may be a customer where you can export the oil. For example, we have customers who are extracting oil from castor oil, pomegranate seeds, and groundnut oil you can extract. Today we are eating refined oil, right? So you can find that there are so many diseases nowadays are there, like heart diseases, liver diseases. Why we are into such kind of traumas? Just because of using such kind of refined oil. From this kind of machines we will get oil which is 100% natural, pure and virgin. So now you can imagine what is the future of, what is the need in the future. So there is a huge and big market for this virgin oil. The cost of this machine, the basic model has a cost of 3,30,000. On this machine, subsidy is also available from the government of India. It varies from state to state. For example, right now we are in Pune. In Pune, the subsidy is, so according to Maharashtra government, there is a, I think, yes, 35% subsidy is available on this machine. We are basically from Vadodara, Gujarat. Yes, we are basically from Vadodara, Gujarat. The name of our company is Sri Nakoda Enterprise. I am Reema Jain. We are from Sri Nakoda Enterprise. Our contact number is 8770429997. Once again, I will tell you the number, that is 8770429997. For any kind of further inquiry and demonstration, you can visit our company and you can have your own seeds with you. You can bring your seeds and we will extract oil and we can show you the every kind of inquiries you have. This machine is available pan India. We also provide, we are the only one who provide these machines. Pan India, we provide training services, installation and after sale services.